Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 20SE, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. To get started, you want to hold power key, and from here select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up, and you will hold both of those keys till you see the TCL logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of only the power key, but you will keep holding the volume up. So let's do that right now. Power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And there is the logo, so let go of the power, keep holding volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. And that is how you'd boot into it. Now in this mode you'll need to use volume keys to navigate to this menu, as you can see. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, use some logs, run tests, along with powering off the device. And like I said, whatever you select you will then confirm with power key. And I had it already selected, the reboot system now, so this will take me now back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.